swimming, Bo? Huh? Are you swimming? Huh? This is kind of cool. You got your own beach. What do you think? Throw a stick for Bo. Oh, Chipper, you're funny. Are you happy, Chipper? You're finally wet. What you doing, Bo? You just kind of wandering along. Bring it here, Chip. Bring it. Give it, honey. Get it from him and throw it. He likes it where he can run in it. Hi, Bo. Hi, Bodicious. Chipper, you're going to hurt yourself. What you doing, Bo? What are you doing, goofy dog? I think a bug got you. What do you think? You ought to get it. Oh, there you go. Dig it. Dig a hole. There you go. Oh, that's a good boy, Bobo. What's in there? Run, Bobo, run! Bear, come on. Are you crazy, dog? Huh? Yes? You crazy dog? Are you crazy dog?
You're a good boy, aren't you?
This is for Aunt Dawn.